How exactly can you block websites on Firefox? Well, we'll be going through the various methods available in this very video. I thought the easiest is to use some of the different extensions that are available for this in the Firefox extension store. So how exactly do you find them? Well, it's pretty simple. First off, what you can do is click on a little puzzle piece icon in Firefox in the top right. And once you've done that, you want to then click on Manage Extensions. Then on this next screen, what you want to do is click on Find More Add-ons. This will take you to the main add-on store, where you just want to search for website blockers, and then you'll be greeted with dozens of different options. Each one of them is slightly different in terms of what they do, what kind of features they offer, and also how exactly you set them up. So the process of actually doing all of that greatly depends on which one you actually go for, because again, there's so many different ones available, and it just really depends on what features you actually need and then which one you end up going for. However, there's also one more method of doing so, and to achieve this, what you first want to do is head into this file directory. You want to head into your main C drive, then into Windows, next into System32, then drivers, and finally etc. Once you are in that folder, you want to look for a file called hosts, and then right click on it. Next up from this context menu, you want to click on Open With, and then finally from the list of options that's going to appear, you want to select Notepad. If there is anything in this file, simply just delete it, and then start typing in this 127.0.0.1, then a space, and then finally the URL of the website you want to block. So the final result will look something like this. Then just simply save the file. That is a great method because it not only blocks the website on Firefox and you will no longer be able to access it with just this error popping up. However, it will also block the website on every other browser on the system, even a brand new one that's just been installed. So it's a great way to ensure that this can be bypassed by just using a different browser. At the same time, it can also be very easily bypassed by just going back and editing that file, so anyone with some tech know-how will still be able to do it. The problem is that the best method of preventing it altogether, that being parental control apps, aren't really a thing for Firefox. Unlike someone like Google or Microsoft, Firefox do not have a parental control app that controls what exactly can be accessed on the internet, which means that you're stuck with either using the various extensions. Some of them do have very parental control like systems, so they can be harder to crack with things like passwords needed to actually make any changes, or also you can just use this solution, which is broader and works on other browsers, but it's also much easier to bypass by anyone who knows what they're doing. So those are just some of the methods to block websites on Firefox. Again, which one's the best for you really just depends on what exactly your circumstances are. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.